I've just jumped on the 9 metre JCB. Gonna get the scraper on and see if we can get this yard a little bit cleaner. I can find this scraper. No idea where it is. We're hiding somewhere. Oh, watch out, Andy. Andy, it's there, look. So, I've got it on. Trying to make this yard a bit cleaner. It's not looking good. So, we are off, sports fans. It doesn't do a bad job, but I wish it had flowed. It's not going to last 2 minutes, this belt on it. So what I'm doing is I'm just scraping it all in front of this trough up here, and then either me or Andy will put the bucket on and get it into the trailer. Andy's pushing it in there with the grain pusher. Go on, Andy, get some beans. I'm even scraping up in front of the silage pit because even that's looking a bit messy at the minute. Shoveling the last few bits up. But what I didn't realise is, my finger was over the camera for one. What I didn't realise is the trailer's full. So I'm trying to tip it in, but it is coming out. I'll show you what I mean. That's the sort of full she is. And I've got to try and get it on top. I really need a camera mount. Phone mount. See, it's all coming off. Andy'll love taking that down road.